machines. Requirement of specially arranged for the pile formations. For the pile formations of projected looms is provided with the following machines. The buffer units and managed magnet for setting the buffers units to the action, and sensors are also available for the machine and movable from the front and rest. In Terri cam, sensors controlled by the individual servo motors driven leads to mechanism of pile mechanisms, and mechanism of pile mechanism is nothing but the mechanism for formation is prescribed based on the fabric control machine. Fabric control machine mechanism was developed by the soldiers, and loop formation is processed according to the principle of fabric control. That is, reed moves in the conventional manner, but the fabric or fell of the cloth is periodically moved away from the bearing. Fabric fell of the cloth is periodically moved away from the beating up station by common movement of the burst beam of the temple, using two or more three partial beating ups carried out, of which each completing beating up for a subsequent looping in the pile warp. During the pile formation, the pile gives a high rate. The increasing of rate is controlled by means of sensor that existing near the tension springs of the back of the rest pile of the beam. The loom is provided for the buffer unit that sets into the action by a magnet. The magnet gets a signal from the pattern cord via of the sensor. The magnet activates the buffer by engaging it to very Terri cam. I heard in my project in the private also. In the case of 3-peak Terri pile cam is used. The Terri cam is mounted on the shaft that exists on the back side of the eel shafts. It gives the motion from the main drive from the loop via shaft gearing arrangement. This purpose of Terri cam is reciprocate the buffer unit by striking it. The front rest remains joined with the buffer, so when the buffer unit reciprocates, then the front rest reciprocates with the buffer units. Thank you.